Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bonbons. First, you'll need to melt and temper your chocolate. Start by gently melting about 2/3 of your chosen chocolate over a double boiler, ensuring no water gets into the bowl. Once melted, remove it from the heat and stir in the remaining 1/3 of chocolate until smooth and fully incorporated. This process gives your bonbons a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Next, let's prepare your bonbon shells. Make sure your molds are sparkling clean and completely dry for the best results. Pour your tempered chocolate into each cavity, filling them entirely. Then, quickly invert the mold over your bowl of chocolate, tapping gently to let any excess drain out. This leaves a perfect, thin chocolate shell. Scrape the top clean and chill the mold for about 10 minutes. Now for the exciting part, adding the filling. Whether you're using a rich ganache, a creamy caramel, or a fruity jam, ensure it's at room temperature. Carefully pipe your chosen filling into each chilled chocolate shell. Remember not to overfill. Leave a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch, from the top edge. This space is crucial for sealing your bonbons properly in the next step. Finally, let's seal and demold your beautiful bonbons. Pour a thin layer of tempered chocolate over the filled cavities, ensuring the filling is completely covered. Use a scraper to remove any excess chocolate from the mold surface, creating a flat bottom. Chill the mold for at least 20 minutes until the chocolate is fully set. Then, gently tap the mold to release your perfectly crafted bonbons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.